History is a tapestry woven from countless threads. Some threads shine brighter, marking moments that redefine the course of empires and civilizations. The Battle of Megiddo, fought in 1457 BC, is one such thread. It is a story of ambition, strategy, and the clash of empires. This epic confrontation would determine the fate of the ancient Near East. The Battle of Megiddo pitted the ascendant Egyptian empire, led by the ambitious Pharaoh Thutmose III, against a coalition of rebellious Canaanite city-states. This clash was about more than just territory. It was a struggle for control of vital trade routes and the future of Egyptian dominance in the Levant. The outcome would echo through the corridors of history for centuries to come. Subscribe to our channel for more explorations into the past. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with fellow history enthusiasts. At the heart of our story is the young Pharaoh Thutmose III, often hailed as Napoleon on the Nile for his military genius. Eager to prove himself, Thutmose III inherited an empire facing challenges to its authority. In the Levant, a region of crucial importance for trade and security, a coalition of Canaanite city-states led by the king of Kadesh rose in defiance of Egyptian rule. The Canaanites, a group of loosely allied city-states, were a formidable force. They were skilled warriors and possessed a deep understanding of the terrain. Their chariots, a symbol of their military prowess, posed a significant threat to the Egyptian forces. The stage was set for a confrontation that would test the mettle of both empires. The rebellion in the Levant posed a direct challenge to Egyptian power. Thutmose III, unwilling to tolerate any dissent, assembled a formidable army and marched north to confront the rebels. The Egyptians were renowned for their military prowess, honed over centuries of warfare. Their army was a well-organized and disciplined force equipped with chariots, archers, and infantry. The rebels, aware of the impending Egyptian advance, chose to concentrate their forces at Megiddo, a strategic city guarding a vital pass through the Carmel Ridge. The choice of Megiddo was no accident. The city's strategic location made it a natural fortress. The rebels were confident in their ability to repel the Egyptian invaders. The Siege of Megiddo, a masterclass in ancient warfare. The Battle of Megiddo was not just a clash of arms, but also a testament to Thutmose III's strategic brilliance. Instead of a direct assault, Thutmose III opted for a siege, a tactic that would become a hallmark of Egyptian military strategy. The Egyptians surrounded the city, cutting off its supply lines and isolating the rebels within. The siege lasted for 7 long months, testing the patience and resolve of both sides. The Egyptians, masters of siege warfare, employed a combination of tactics to break the enemy's will. They built earthen ramps to overcome Megiddo's formidable defenses, showered the defenders with arrows, and engaged in constant skirmishes to weaken their resolve. The spoils of victory. When the city finally fell to the Egyptians, the victory was absolute. The Egyptians captured vast quantities of weapons, chariots, and prisoners, but the true prize was the city of Megiddo itself. The fall of Megiddo sent shockwaves throughout the Levant. The victory broke the back of the Canaanite resistance and solidified Egyptian dominance in the region for centuries to come. The Battle of Megiddo marked a turning point in ancient Near Eastern history. It established Egypt as the undisputed power in the region and ushered in an era of unprecedented Egyptian expansion and prosperity. The victory also had a profound impact on Egyptian military thinking, cementing the importance of siege warfare and logistics in their strategic doctrine. Echoes of Megiddo. The Battle of Megiddo was more than just a military engagement. It was a clash of civilizations. It left an indelible mark on history, shaping the political landscape of the ancient Near East and influencing military strategy for centuries to come. The echoes of this ancient battle still resonate today, reminding us of the enduring power of strategy, leadership, and the human cost of conflict. Don't miss out on more captivating journeys through time. Subscribe to our channel to explore the annals of history. What are your thoughts on the Battle of Megiddo and its lasting impact? Share your opinions in the comments section below. Let's delve into the discussions that shape our understanding of the past.